Hello Green Preschool. So excited to do this science experiment today with you all. What we're going to do today is called color chromatography. And so you might be wondering, what is chromatography? Chromatography is a technique that scientists use to separate different mixtures when they're doing experiments. And so we're going to be doing that today with colors. So we're going to do an experiment where we can see one color from a marker split into the different colors that make up that color. Okay friends, so the materials we're going to need are, we'll need a sandwich bag. I have a Ziploc bag. And then we're going to need a pair of scissors, some tape, a coffee filter, a ruler, one washable marker and one permanent marker, and then we need 1/8 of a cup of water. Okay friends, so our first step is going to be to take our coffee filter and to cut it into a square shape. Okay friends, so everybody's coffee filters are probably going to be different sizes. Mine was kind of a weird cone shape, so this isn't a perfect square, but as long as it's a shape that can fit inside your Ziploc bag, that's really all that matters. All right friends, so next you're going to take your coffee filter and your ruler and your washable marker, not your permanent marker, and you're going to measure 1 inch from the bottom of the coffee filter. And once you find where that 1 inch mark is, you're going to just make a little mark right here. And then after you've made that mark, you're going to draw a horizontal line across the coffee filter. Okay friends, so once you have drawn the line horizontally across your coffee filter, it's time to fill your bag up with water. So you're going to take your sandwich bag, and I'm going to take my water. Remember, you need 1/8 of a cup of water. So I put it in my measuring cup, and I'm going to put it in the bag, just like that. Awesome, that should be good. They said that it should be about, it looks like 1/2 inch from the bottom of the bag when it's held upright like this. That's about how much water you need. Okay, so next we are going to take your coffee filter and you're going to place it inside the bag. And when you put it in the bag, it should be so that the bottom of the filter is submerged into the water, but your marker line should be above the water level. And then we're going to mount it onto either the refrigerator, or you can tape it onto a wall. You can use magnets, whatever works best for you at home.